What's up guys? So I'm in the backyard today. This video, it's not a gardening video. I just wanted to share some good news. Today we're doing a gender reveal and this will be my first child. I'm looking forward to the reveal to see if it's gonna be a boy or a girl. I wanted to share this moment with all of you guys in the backyard as we gather today with my family and friends and see what the gender is.
Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, now you guys get to see that we're expecting a boy this year, and this will be me and my partner's first child, well, my girlfriend Sydney. So we look forward to, just being parents, having this experience, sharing this backyard and just everything with our child. And thanks for everyone that's been supporting the channel and tuned in. And until next time, guys, take care.